15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right into hairpin left, 8 right opens, and 8 left sharp, into 2 left, and 3 left, 9 right, and 8 left, and 7 left, bump, into 1 right over crest, 150, 3 left in, 130, 4 right, and 2 left tightens to 4 left in over small crest, 2 right through dip, and 4 left into 5 right tightens to 7 right over crest, then 2 left, no clutch, bastard. Is it?
Let's get off the road somewhere safe.
250 down, there's a hairpin right just down the bottom here. There's a radio point up here as well, so if we go to the left, go up to the left there, look.